Alright, so I know my shop is kind of dirty, as you've been watching the videos. I haven't gotten around to cleaning, but as you can see, I'm making an entertainment center, and I hope you enjoy coming along with me as I've been milling up these boards to make the shelves for it. You've seen me make these side pieces that I've already measured out to cut. I'm going to do a half lap joint where they cross each other, two side pieces made out of those. And the shelves will connect between the two, some cross braces to help support and strengthen the rigidity of the entertainment center. And the next step, I think, is gluing the ends together so you can start seeing it come together. So follow along and give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and talk to you soon.